Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. So this one is called the Beast. This is more of a strength workout. So we're keeping our sets and reps quite low. So we're only going to be doing 5 reps of each exercise. So there's 5 reps of 5 exercises and you're going to perform 5 sets. Okay, so you're going to power through those 5 sets as quick as you can. As soon as you've done those 5 sets, you're done. If you don't get those 5 sets done in the 20 minutes, then just stop at the 20-minute mark. But if you complete all 5 sets sooner than the 20 minutes, say you do the whole lot in say 17 minutes, then that's it, workout's done. So the faster you power through the workout, the faster you're done. If you don't do, as I say, if you don't do the whole workout in the 20 minutes, you just stop at the 20-minute mark and just keep account of how much you got done, how many sets you did in that time, and then the next time you do the workout, you just power through and just try and get more sets in the next time you do this workout. All right guys, so this is more of a strength-based workout, so we're doing lower reps on this one, so lift with a heavier weight. Always handy to have, say, 2 or 3 different maces in your arsenal, so I like to have like a light, a medium, and a heavy, and then you can adjust accordingly. If you get a little bit fatigued towards the end of the workout, you can always drop down in the weight. All right guys, going to go through those exercises now. So the first one, I'm going to do a power squat. Okay, so we're in that switch squat position. We've got our feet pointing forward. Okay, feet shoulder width apart, chest up, shoulders back. Nice straight line between the crown and the coccyx. We're going to drop down into a squat. If you can, get your thighs parallel with the floor. If you can't, just go as low as you can. Keep a good technique. And then from there, so we're going to go into a squat position, and then we're going to throw that mace head up, and then we're going to catch it down on the other side. Straight in, okay, into that squat, thighs parallel with the floor, keep the chest facing forward, drive up from the legs into the arms, and then catch it on the other side. So we're going from one side to the other. Just do 5 reps in total. So you're going to be doing more reps on one side for the first set, but when you do your second set, just make sure that you work it equally, so you start on the other side. So that's your first one, the power squat. Next exercise, 4 punch. So a 4 punch is where we're going to step forward, and again, if you go heavy with this, is a really good challenging exercise, really good for working the core as well. So we're going to grab it quite close in to the mace head. What we're going to do is we're going to step forward, we're going to bring it down, we're going to punch, and then we're going to step back, and then we're going to punch up at 45 degrees. When we're punching up, we're going to rotate that back hip and then pivot a foot. So we're really getting that core in. So stepping back, stepping down, punch, stepping back, stepping up, punch. This is a great exercise for the shoulders and arms as well as the core. All right guys, so you're going to go 5 reps of 4 punch each side. Once we've done those, we're going to do an offset bent over row with rotation. So with our feet shoulder width apart, what you're going to find is you're going to be sort of pushing down with the mace handle. Okay, and then the hand that's closest to the mace head, you're actually pulling. So it's kind of a push-pull type movement as well. So from here, we're going to drive those hips back. So we're going to feel the stretch on the hamstrings, straight line between the crown and the coccyx. And then from there, we're going to slide that bar up the legs into a row. When we're in that top position, okay, we're going to rotate. So we're going to rotate around, come to a complete stop, okay, back into the starting position, sliding back down to the legs. Okay, so a row, okay, and then rotate. So again, just do 5 reps on one side, and then when you do your next set, okay, do 5 reps on the other side. So next exercise, we're going to do a 10 and 2, so a real good traditional heavy mace exercise. I love putting this heavy mace exercise into my workouts wherever I can. So usual cues apply with a 10 and 2, so hands into the navel, elbows tucked in, shoulders down and packed down, nice and relaxed. I'm going to bring it over the shoulder, watch it come over the shoulder, bring it into that 2 o'clock position, and then come back the same way we come. Again, we're just going to go 5 reps in total. If you started over the left shoulder, start over the right shoulder next time you do this exercise. And then the last one we're going to do is a reverse side lunge. So with our reverse side lunges, so just remember it's our side lunge, but we're going stepping back instead of to the side. So we're going to step back. As I'm stepping back, I'm going to slide that mace down. Okay, this leg stays straight. This toe points to the wall. This knee tracks that toe. Push that right hand down, so push that mace head to the floor and then pull with the other hand, so rip that mace apart. As I step to the center line, I'm going to shoot that hand up, okay, swap hands, this hand slides down, big step back, push down with the left, pull with the right, get as low as you can. All right guys, so that's your 5 exercises. So you're gonna power through those 5 exercises as quick as you can, making sure you work in both sides. As I say, you're gonna perform 5 reps of 5 of those exercises, and you're gonna perform 5 sets in total. So as soon as you've done your 5 sets, you are done. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this workout, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our dangerously fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.